Renzo, let's hear from a father's perspective. Let's hear what he had to say. He rated the book 5 gold stars. The book is adventurous, educational, and inspiring for children. The question was asked, describe in brief about the main character of the book. Superhero JJ is a child of many talents who is outgoing, caring, and imaginative. She uses her talents to teach and help others and to learn about the aspects of life. What was your favorite part of the book and why? Lorenzo said the artwork and pictures are pretty good and help to visualize each character. The last question Lorenzo answered, which talent was your favorite from the book and why? Was it the doctor, baker, dentist, teacher, astronaut? Which one was it? He says, all of the characters were fun. My favorite character was the police officer who shares tips to children to help keep them safe. Not opening doors to strangers is a very important lesson for children to learn because it helps to protect them and their family from bad people who may try to harm them. Let's take a look at that page. He highly recommends this book to everyone, but especially to parents with children under 7 years old. The stories are educational, inspiring, and fun. Thank you, Lorenzo. Let's welcome Tizzy.